Alaska Sammy just had a bath and let me brush him, and he was such a good sport, it seemed like a good day to try out a brand new treat. I have a treat called Nature's Choice. It's a sweet potato biscuit wrapped with chicken breast. It's called Nature's Choice. It's by Loving Pets, and I bought it at the Dollar Tree. It says on the front it's tested in the USA, but it's made in China. The back of the package tells you the ingredients, which are chicken breast, sweet potato, and a few other things like glucosamine and chondroitin to help keep your dog's joints feeling great. The package includes a nutritional analysis and the freshness date. This particular sweet potato biscuit wrapped with chicken breast is soy-free, gluten-free, and wheat-free. So if your pet has allergies or sensitivities, you can take that into account at the time you get it for him. The package has a little tab. You can zip it open, and then it has a nice feature, which is a zip top, so that you can zip it back up and keep the rest of the treats fresh. You can see they're about the size of a pretzel, and you can really see the little bits of chicken breast that are wrapped around it. Let's see how Sammy likes it. Sammy kind of has a delicate mouth, and so sometimes when he's suspicious, if you give him a little tiny bite, he'll try that before he'll take a whole big biscuit. You like it? Was that good? Was that good? Was that good? Anybody in there? Did you like that? Was that good? Was that good? Yeah. Please subscribe to the Alaska Sammy channel.